Pulling apart your vehicle interior? Don't risk damaged trim and a handful of broken clips. The ToolPRO 5-piece trim remover set is just what you need. Crafted with tough polycarbonate plastic, these tools are designed to be easy on delicate panels and paint, yet tough enough to pry and lever them free. Formed into the end of 3 of these tools are a variation of notches. Rather than snapping clips and poking holes with a screwdriver, these notches slip underneath and around door trim clips and pop them free easily. For those panels that are designed to pop free under leverage, it's best to grab a wide trim remover to pry it away. The wide footprint of the tool lessens the chance of damage. Use the pull type remover with the ring end for trim that pulls right out, and the narrow type remover to get into smaller spaces. The narrow remover gives you options for flat and 90-degree ends for more leverage. Finally, grab the upholstery remover to pop free those large, flat carpet clips. The ToolPRO 5-piece trim remover set makes it easy to remove all interior panels without causing yourself a headache.